How's it going, guys? Pinky Tech and Review here, and today we will recommend you guys for the iPod user to buy this energy USB adapter in order to charge your iPods safely. Now in here in detail we will say it is compatible with the iPad, iPhone, BlackBerry and other devices. That includes the Android device. Now at the back here you will see some details that you guys can read it. Say fast USB charging, energy saving, multi built-in protections. Yep, and got the limited 3-year warranty. Now let's open it. Now first let's just pull that thing out. It's quite hard. Yep, there we go. Pull it and then just slide it open, and there we go. Come on. Yep, there we go, guys. The energy adapter. Now first we need to put it off, screw it off and take it out, and there you go. Now we're gonna test it and see how it looks like when it is charging. Now we're gonna put in the USB charger. Just gonna click it in, and for the lightning cable, of course, for the iPod. And it is super quick when it is charging. Now let's turn it on, and there you have it. And it is a blue light popping up. Now thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.